In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add prepayment in Booking.com. If you want guests to pay in advance, either partially or in full, this walkthrough will show you how to set that up in the Booking.com extranet so your payment expectations are clear and enforced before arrival. First, sign in to the extranet by going to admin.booking.com and accessing your partner account. Make sure you're logging in as the property manager or host with the right permissions. This process is best done on a desktop browser rather than the mobile app for full access to all policy options. Once you're in, head to the Property tab in the top menu. From the drop-down, choose Reservation Policies. This is where your cancellation and prepayment rules live, and it's the central place guests and the system look to for how and when payment is collected. Inside the Cancellation and Prepayment Policies section, look for the area where you can edit prepayment settings. You'll see options to determine whether prepayment is required for a rate, and if so, when it should happen. This is sometimes labeled as prepayment, guarantee, or pre-authorization. Prepayment typically means charging the card, while a guarantee or pre-authorization can place a temporary hold for the required amount. The exact behavior depends on your payment setup in Booking.com. Choose whether prepayment is required. If you enable it, decide when the payment is due. You have two main timing options. The first is after the reservation is made, which means the guest pays or provides payment details immediately after booking. This is useful for non-refundable rates, high-demand dates, or when you want to secure revenue up front. The second option is after the free cancellation period ends. In this case, the system waits until the cancellation window closes to charge or hold the amount. This is ideal if you offer a flexible cancellation policy but still want payment security once that flexibility ends. Whichever timing you choose, the amount taken will match the cancellation penalty set in that policy. For example, if your penalty is the first night or a percentage of the stay, that's the amount that will be charged or pre-authorized when the trigger occurs. Keeping the cancellation penalty and the prepayment amount aligned avoids confusion and helps prevent disputes. These settings tell Booking.com exactly whether and when the guest's card should be charged or held as a prepayment, and guests will see these rules during booking. Review your choices, ensure they match your rate strategy, and you're all set.